Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.
Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be kicking off the summer with colorful wigs. Okay, so I realized I tend to stick to the same color wigs because I'm like, and I'm proud. You feel what I'm saying? Anyway, I just want to get out of my comfort zone and try new things. So I have this wig from Amazon. I actually showcased her before in another video, but in a darker color. So this is going to be very interesting. Listen, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you can get notified, guys. And all for the people who've been here, done this, you already know what to do. I don't even gotta tell you. So let's go ahead and get into the video and do what it do. Alright, okay, so like I was saying before, I bought this wig off of Amazon. I'm going to put her link down below. I cannot remember where I purchased her from. I have no idea, but I'll put her link, or I'll put the name of her company right over. Okay, so this is what she looks like straight out the bag. I feel like, because I've opened her before, so I think she came with some stuff, but I can't remember. I think she came with like some earrings or something. But she is, ooh, a bright color for them. Nice curly wig, as you can see. She doesn't have any combs, which might be alright for me because I got a big dome. But she does have adjustable straps in the middle and a breathable mesh cap. So I'm going to go ahead, try her on, style her, and just see what she do. See where I can go with this. Where are we going with this? Where are we going with this? Who got a picnic they want to invite me to? Where are we going with this? Let's get to this video. Oh, if in case you want to know what half wig I got on, I'll link her up here somewhere as well, because this wig was showcased actually in my last video when she was still cute. She's so adorable. So if you want to know, let me know. I'll put it in the description box below as well. All right, let's get into fixing up Miss Thang and figuring out what she gonna look like. I just, do you see what, okay, not the little flyaways, but do you see what I see? She is so beautiful. Now, don't get me wrong. You're probably not going to have her for too long. She's one of those synthetical wigs that we're showing up to a party or 2, 3, 4. Matter of fact, we can show up to a couple of parties all summer long with this, but then after that, that's it. You retired. Gotta hang her up, dry. She done. She done. But baby, when I tell you, she is really giving me summertime backyard party all white boat affair vibes. Like, oh no. See, this is something you definitely need in your collection. Amazon, what y'all doing? What you doing to the girl? Let's get into the little bit of details that I can remember. I purchased her maybe about a year or 2 ago. She was about $19, $20. I'll put her price right here. Got her off of Amazon. So she came in like 2 days. I already previewed the darker version to her, and I loved her. And with this white on, I mean, this is adorable. Would I buy her again? Yes, I absolutely would. And if I can go ahead and find her like in a 99J for the winter, if I can find her in a chocolate brown for the fall, if I can find, I already have her in a black, if I can find her in a blonde, I feel like she, in every color that you will pick for this look, you shouldn't down shop. Like, she is just, she's adorable. She's adorable. I actually have a trip coming up in June, and I'm thinking this is going to be a date night look. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So where would I wear her to? Girl, where wouldn't I wear her to? Yeah, understand? She is an all out, you're making a statement with her. Okay? So would I buy her again? Yes, I would. In a heartbeat, and in different colors. Definitely a beautiful wig to have in your collection. She is gorgeous. I'm telling you, ladies. She is beautiful. And she is perfect for summer 2022. Whatever you're going ahead and getting into, she's the one. She is the one. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, folks. So this is just the beginning of the colorful wigs that I want to actually showcase this month for summertime, as well as Pride, as well as just to get out of my comfort zone. So stick with me, bear with me. I have a bunch of wigs that I want to review. I'm gonna try to start kicking them out so I can practice more and just give you more content. You know what I mean? So take this ride with me. Take this ride with me and hit that notification bell. So every time I upload a video, you can get notified on everything. Leslie, alright. Thank you guys. Love you. Keep watching. Ooh, child, what are you trying to do? Get close. Get personal. You're all in my business. Now back the hell up. 6 feet. 6 feet.